Now this is where it gets a little bit trickier. We've now got two fractions with different denominators. So the first thing we need to work out is what two fractions do we have here? So in this one here, I can see that each rectangle has been divided into two. There are two equal parts. So my denominator there is 2. I then need to see how many parts have been shaded. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there we've got 7 halves, or 7/2. Looking at my next fraction, it's been split into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts. So my denominator is 5. How many have been shaded in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here, my numerators are the same. Both of them are 7. How do we know which one is larger? Now we have got our diagrams here, and that can help us. So hopefully you can very easily visualize that 7 halves is much greater than 7/5. Now what happens if we don't have something to visualize to help us? Let's think about splitting it into that wholes and parts. So in 7 halves, how many wholes are there? There are 1, 2, 3. So we've got 3 wholes. Apologies for my writing. And how many left over do we have? 1. So we've got 1 half. So you can see that we've got 3 wholes. Now if I just get some space over here, if we have a look at the 7/5, how many wholes do we have? 1. So we've got 1 whole and 2/5 left. So in these two fractions, one of them we've got 3 wholes and the other we've only got 1 whole. Now hopefully you know that 3 wholes is greater than 1 whole, so that is what will help us compare the two. If a fraction has got more wholes, then it will be the larger fraction.